Nice, Leo. That's perfect. We're going really fast. Keep on going. That's it. And flat. And flat. And the deeper you get them in the water, the faster you go. That's it. Nice. And the other side, you're going to roll it. And flat. That's it. And the other side. That's it. Nice. No. You are doing it. You're doing it perfect. Look how fast we're going. Yeah, so to steer, you just do one side. That's it. Keep on going that side. Nice. We're going around in circles. Good job. And now do both sides again. And go forward. Nice. Need to make sure the oars are flat, that's it. Oi, a little bit wet. You're really good. So you need to hold the black bits again. That's it, perfect. Quick turn, you're gonna crash. Turn, turn, turn. Nearly crashed. You're puffed out. I'll have a go again, yeah? You sit and relax. Do you want to turn around and relax like Daddy? Yeah, you can't row from that way, but it's pretty cool. Was that fun? Yeah, you were so good at that, weren't you? That was awesome. Well done. High five.
Got that hand, so...
Nice.